Hi there, we're doing an early Christmas project. It's something that you can really get into and have plenty of time to finish and prepare before the holiday season. We've painted a beautiful sprig of holly with a little tag saying love and hugs on there. So there's lots of elements to get your teeth into on this one. And there's some good tips on different elements of painting, the detail, the berries, and of course these very complex and waxy leaves. I've loved painting this tutorial and I really hope that you do get a lot out of it. It's always worth having a go and just seeing if it's something that just really ticks that box for you and makes you really want to get stuck into your painting. Who knows, it might be the painting that starts a whole career. So do give it a go and see how you get on. Happy painting and stay safe.